Angie Edge from the Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin joining us now. Good to see you again. It is fall. It's harvest time.
Yeah.
What are you making today?
It's officially November, so we're turning the page to Thanksgiving recipes, harvest recipes. So we have a roasted squash salad that's absolutely delicious, easy to make, even healthy for us, and it has some award-winning Wisconsin cheeses. So first I want to talk about the cheese that we're featuring here. This is the Nightwalker cheese, that it's made by Deer Creek, and this is won the International Cheese Award and the World Cheese Award, so 2 gold medals in the whole entire world.
What makes it so good?
Well, it's actually a sweet cheddar that has been soaked in bourbon, made at the J. Henry Bourbon Distillery right here in Dane County. And then all of those flavors together give it a little bit of a butterscotch note. I'd love for you to try it.
I'm going to
And
try
then it is a beautiful bouquet of sandalwood, vanilla, cherry, and cinnamon, all combined in one beautiful cheese.
That is really good.
So you can see why it won the best cheese in the International Cheese Awards. So that's going to be the star ingredient of our kale salad. So what we have is 9 cups of kale that's been chopped. And then we have the, this is the roasted squash. This is the delicata squash. Looks like that. You're actually just going to cut it in half lengthwise, slice it in about 1/4 inch slices. You can roast it in the oven. That also is delicious for about 25 minutes, and it gets a nice sweet flavor.
Well,
put a little salt and pepper on it.
That's good.
So you can add that right to the salad. And then to make it festive, we have some dried cranberries and some golden raisins. So you could actually take this to Thanksgiving. Some toasted and roasted pecans. And then we have also some green onions. So lots of color, lots of flavor.
Could it be any healthier?
It could be any healthier. And then it's a homemade vinaigrette that also has a little bit of bourbon. There's red wine, there's a little bit of honey, and olive oil as well. So very easy to make, and then you can toss it all together. And of course, lastly...
I'm going to say, you forgot it.
Lastly, you have to add the star, and this is 1 cup of that shaved Nightwalker cheese. So it was super flavorful and really fun for your guests.
Yeah, that couldn't be much easier.
No, very easy.
Could any squash work? Or?
You could use any squash you like, and also if you're not a fan of kale, you could use your own type of lettuce or a spring mix. Really get creative. But
you have to use this cheese.
You have to use the cheese. And when you visit our website this month and also our Great Pear Share magazine, we have a lot of Thanksgiving side dishes that are all featuring World Championship cheeses that you can add to your Thanksgiving table. So
And something a little different.
Something a little different.
Why not?
Impress your guests with Wisconsin cheese this holiday.
And this is a showstopper right here.
Yeah,
this salad.
exactly. So
go to the website.
Check it out, make it for your friends and family, and look for that Proudly Wisconsin cheese badge whenever you're shopping for cheese as well.
WisconsinCheese.com.
Yes.
Happy
Thank you.
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you.
We'll see you in December.
Yep.